Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you to our basic percentage question solving class. In today's session, we will learn how to solve the most important and fundamental percentage questions in a simple and clear way. Our goal is to make every concept of percentage easy for you, whether it's converting percentage to fractions, understanding increase, decrease, or solving common exam oriented problems. So get ready because after today's class, percentage will become one of the most easiest topic for you. Keep your notes ready, stay focused, and let's begin our percentage basic question solving class. So our first question is what is 15% of 250? Now we solve this problem. 15%, 15% of means multiplication of 250. 15% means 15 by 100 into 250. 0 0 cancel, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 25 3s are 75 divided by 2, that is 37.5. This is our answer. Next question. Question number 2. If 30% of a number is 180, what is the number? Suppose 30% 30% of a number is 180. That means the number is 180 into 100 divided by 30. 3 6 are 18. The number is 6 into 100, that is 600. This is our final answer. Next question number 3. Convert the decimal 0.004 into a percentage. 0.004 into a percentage. That is, remove decimal. So this is return 4 by 1000 into 100. 0 cancel. That is 0.4%. This is our final answer. Next question. Question number 4. What is percent of 80 is 64? Let x percent of 80 is 64. It means x by 100 into 80 equal to 64. 0 cancel. X equal to 64 into 10 by 8. 8 8 is 64. X equal to 80. This is our final. Next question. A number is first increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. What is the net change in the number? This problem is increase or decrease percentage concept, so we can use x x plus y plus xy divided by 100. We can use this formula to solve this problem. First, increase 20%. So whenever increase word is come, then we can use positive plus sign, that is 20, and whenever use this word decrease, so we can take negative sign minus 20, and positive into negative, that is negative 20 into 20 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled. Positive and negative will be also cancelled. Minus 2 to the 4%. Minus sign denote that 4% is decrease. Net change in the number is 4% decrease. This is our final answer. Next question, question number 6. The price of a shirt is 800. If its price is increased by 10%, what is the new price? So, new price equal to 800 into 110%. Okay, next solve this problem. So our increased price will be 880 rupees. This is our final answer. Next question. If the price of petrol increased by 25%, by what percentage must a car owner reduce his consumption to keep the expenditure the same? To solve this problem, we can use two methods. First method is use formula. Use formula of reduction in consumption, that is reduction by 100 plus reduction into 100. We can use this formula for solve this problem. 25 divided by 100 plus 25 into 100. We can solve this. 25 divided by 125 into 100. 25 5s are 125, or 5 20s are 100. That is 20% is our consumption reduction. Okay guys, this is our final answer. And second method to solve this problem by ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Our consumption is reciprocal to price. Price into consumption equal to expenditure, price equal to expenditure divided by consumption. So our price is inversely proportional to the consumption. Therefore, whenever price ratio which is price ratio will be 25% increase, 25% increase, that is 25%. For that means 4 to 5. This is before and this is after. ये है प्राइस का रेशियो, तो कंजप्शन का रेशियो हो जाएगा 5:4। तो कितना कंजप्शन को कितना हमें कम करना है कि हमारा जो एक्सपेंडिचर है वो इक्वल हो। तो ये है 5 से 4 मतलब 1 कम करना है और हमारा बेसिक कंजप्शन कितना है 5 इंटू 100, 520 100, that means our consumption will be reduced by 20% so that our expenditure will be equal. Now our next question number 8. A student needs to score 40% marks to pass an exam. If he score 150 marks and fail by 10 marks, what are the maximum marks for the exams? Passing marks is 150 marks plus 10 marks. Passing marks equal to 150 plus 10, that is 160 marks. If 40% of 40% of maximum marks equal to 160, so maximum marks will be 160 divided by 40 into 100, because this 40% is cross multiply in right side, so 0 will be cancelled, 4 4 16. So our maximum marks will be 400. That is our right answer. Next question number 9. A's income is 25% more than B's income. By what percent is B's income less than A income? So A and B. We can solve this problem by ratio and proportion method also. So let B income 100 and A income 25% more, that is 125. By what percent is B's income less than A's income? तो B का इनकम कितना कम है 25 कम है, किससे A के इनकम से। तो ये आ गया हमारा रिलेशन 25 5 जा 125, 5 20 जा 120, 5 20 is a 100. That is 20%. This is our right answer for this question, question number 9. Next question, question number 10. The population of a town increased by 5% in the first year and by 10% in the second year. What is the total percentage increase in the population over 2 years? 2 years. So first we can solve this problem by using successive method, that is a plus b plus ab by 100. 5 plus 10 plus 5 into 10 divided by 100. 0 0 will be cancelled. 5 2s are 10. 15 plus 1 by 2, that is 15.5%. This is our total percentage increase in the population over 2 years. This is our right answer for this question. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to join the next class where we will continue with more important questions and smart techniques. Thank you once again for your time and attention. See you in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep improving. Thank you for watching.